in closing, two things. With the putting stroke, if you're comfortable with what you have and what you do and you're making putts, like Chris, I wouldn't change anything, but I've played with you and you roll the ball pretty well. Chuck, you roll the ball pretty well yourself. Michael, you're a good putter. Tommy, without having played with you a whole lot, I would say standing that open that you would miss a lot of putts. So just during your next practice session, just try standing square to the golf ball.
Yeah.
Meaning like this, square to your line, because just like your setup, when you're hitting a full shot, you have a tendency to do this, stand open, and then your arms follow your shoulders. And if your arms follow your shoulders, golf ball, if you have a good grip, golf ball's going left. With a poor grip, golf ball's going to spin. You're going to hit that little cut shot.
Yeah.
So, good. All right. Second thing, distance control. We're talking about how far to hit a golf ball if you're doing something around the green. And it's not a big swing, because when we get that big swing like Chris had with that lob wedge, it becomes real difficult to control distances for these short little pitches. So if you get a 9-iron, you get an 8-iron, something, whatever club you're comfortable with, I'd much rather see you get the golf ball on the ground first. Get the ball rolling towards your intended line, because you've got a much better chance of rolling it close that way than you are trying to take a big club, unless you're Phil Mickelson, and hit that flop, or trying to hit a little pitch shot instead of that bump and run.
Is it true that maybe the closer you are to the edge of the green, the lower lofted club you use?
Well, you'll see a lot of people now, they'll use hybrids, they'll use 3-woods, I'm not averse to using a putter off the green if I've got a good roll, good chance of rolling the ball pretty well to get it to the hole. But it's a comfort level. It's what you want to practice with. So between now and the next session, just try and work on short game, chip, bump and runs. We're going to work on a little bit in the next lesson with bunker play. I see a lot of people are fearful, scared to be in a bunker. I'd rather be in a bunker than in thick rough around the green. You can control distances with a bunker swing. You can control spin with a bunker shot. If you're in rough, you're at the mercy of what the rough really affects, what that swing does through the rough, hitting the golf ball.
They say in a bunker you don't even have to hit the golf ball.
In a bunker, you're hitting the sand. The sand's moving the ball. You're moving the sand's moving the ball, and the ball is going out on the green. So that'll be our next lesson. Thank you, gentlemen.
Thank you.